Well, welcome to the trilogy of what is the Triumph dirt bike. We have those right there, which were the AI renders, fakes, whatever you want to call it, that came out almost a month now, or over a month now, which looked pretty cool. I mean, I like the color scheme. If that was how they looked out, sure, that would have been great. And then we had these, which were the let's say 1950s spy camera, whatever. These are, you can't see anything. It's a black bike with some shiny bits on it. Like, there's nothing you can get out of this out of their 72p photo. Obviously, it's a stock pipe. It's a bike with no sponsors, whatever you want to call it. It is just what it is. It's, probably the first time it actually got put together and people saw it, which was kind of cool. And then a couple days ago, we got this, which is Ferry and Carmichael riding I think it's the 250F, if I'm not mistaken. And even this is a pretty bland bike. His kit has absolutely nothing but, Triumph and Fox on it. I think it's Fox. And his helmet is Monster Energy. Otherwise, it's a black bike with no pipe, no suspension sponsors, no sticker sponsors, anything. And I'm assuming Monster probably was going to sponsor this because they sponsor absolutely everything and he's part of that brand, so you're not going to have him on a Red Bull bike or anything. But in the comments below, you tell me, did you watch the video? Do you see the pictures? Do you think it looks cool? Or who do you think the sponsor is going to be? Whatever it is, just comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.